Let us now look at the accidents that could occur during construction. During your work, someone might cut themselves accidentally with sharp objects. The procedure to give first aid would be: apply pressure to stop the bleeding. Elevate the part above the heart level. Ensure the individual is sitting or lying down. If while working, you or some other person suffers an electric shock, you should immediately turn off the mains, stand on some isolating material. Push the individual away with a dry rope or stick. If the individual is unconscious or stops breathing, give artificial respiration. In case you suffer from a sprain or strain, you should support and rest the area of strain and apply ice to the affected area. If by accident there is an injury to your eye due to paint, you should irrigate the eyes with plenty of water to remove harmful chemicals. And if the discomfort persists, wait for the doctor. If ladders and work platforms are unstable, or if an individual is careless during work, there can be a minor or major fall during the session. When someone has a minor fall, warn him to lie still without moving the injured part. Support the injured part with your hands. If there is bleeding, control by pressing and elevating the part above the heart level. If there is swelling or the individual complains of excessive pain and inability to move, call for the doctor. Construction work demands that you work out in the open. This could lead to severe exhaustion due to heat. You need to keep the following things in mind when dealing with a person who has suffered from heat exhaustion. Lay the individual down in a cool and airy place. Raise and support the legs. Fan vigorously. Give sips of water with a pinch of salt if available. Call for the doctor immediately.